front of me is Google Pixel 10, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Many of you in the comments ask if there is any way to disable notifications from chosen app. It's probably because many apps send spam notifications and make your notification bar messy. And today I will show you exactly how to do it without any tricks or special apps. That's because after entering settings on Google Pixel device, you can scroll and hit notifications. And there select app notifications at the top to manage all of them however you want to. Begin by tapping on most recent at the top and sorting your apps by choosing the ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, show all apps, or only apps with disabled notifications. I will go with most frequent one. If you are looking for a specific app, tap on this icon at the top right corner of a paper and a magnifying glass. Type in whatever you want to and find your app. Now, if you want to disable notifications from chosen ones, use those switchers next to them. To turn them back on, click on the same, now gray switchers. You can also tap on any app on the left and not only disable or enable notifications thanks to this switcher at the top, but also if you don't want to get rid of them completely, manage them over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!